AI is cool. AI is entrenching inequality, upending the job market, and wrecking education. AI will kill us all. What the hell is everybody talking about? Artificial intelligence is the hottest technology of our time. But what is it? It sounds like a stupid question, but it's one that's never been more urgent. AI is a catch-all term for a set of technologies that make computers do things that are thought to require intelligence when done by people. Think of recognizing faces, understanding speech, driving cars, writing sentences, answering questions, creating pictures. But even that definition contains multitudes. What does it mean for machines to understand speech or write a sentence? What kinds of tasks could we ask such machines to do? And how much should we trust the machines to do them? As this technology moves from prototype to product faster and faster, these have become questions for all of us. But, spoilers, I don't have the answers. I can't even tell you what AI is. The people making it don't know what AI is either. Not really. Chris Olah, chief scientist at the San Francisco-based AI lab Anthropic, says, "These are the kinds of questions that are important enough that everyone feels like they can have an opinion. But if you're willing to buckle up and come for a ride, I can tell you why nobody really knows, why everybody seems to disagree, and why you're right to care about it." Back in 2022, during the first episode of Mystery AI Hype Theater 3000, co-hosts Alex Hanna and Emily Bender made a ridiculous suggestion. They decided to replace the term AI with mathy math. You know, just lots and lots of math. Hanna and Bender are having none of it. They decide to replace the term AI with mathy math. You know, just lots and lots of math. The irreverent phrase is meant to collapse what they see as bombast and anthropomorphism in the sentences being quoted. Pretty soon Hanna, a sociologist and director of research at the Distributed AI Research Institute, and Bender, a computational linguist at the University of Washington, open a gulf between what Aguera Iarcas wants to say and how they choose to hear it. How should AIs, their creators, and their users be held morally accountable? Asks Aguera Iarcas. How should mathy math be held morally accountable? Asks Bender. There's a category error here, she says. Hanna and Bender don't just reject what Aguera Iarcas says, they claim it makes no sense. Can we please stop it with the an AI or the AIs as if they are like individuals in the world? Bender says. It might sound as if they're talking about different things, but they're not. Both sides are talking about large language models, the technology behind the current AI boom. It's just that the way we talk about AI is more polarized than ever. In May, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman teased the latest update to GPT-4, his company's flagship model, by tweeting, "Feels like magic to me." There's a lot of road between math and magic. AI has acolytes, with a faith-like belief in the technology's current power and inevitable future improvement. Artificial general intelligence is in sight, they say. Superintelligence is coming behind it, and it has heretics who poo-poo such claims as mystical mumbo-jumbo. The buzzy popular narrative is shaped by a pantheon of big-name players, from big tech marketers-in-chief like Sundar Pichai and Satya Nadella, to edgelords of industry like Elon Musk and Altman, to celebrity computer scientists like Geoffrey Hinton. Sometimes these boosters and doomers are one and the same, telling us that the technology is so good it's bad. As AI hype has ballooned, a vocal anti-hype lobby has risen in opposition, ready to smack down its ambitious, often wild claims. Pulling in this direction are a raft of researchers, including Hanna and Bender, and also outspoken industry critics like influential computer scientist and former Googler Timnit Gebru and NYU cognitive scientist Gary Marcus. All have a chorus of followers bickering in their replies. In short, AI has come to mean all things to all people, splitting the field into fandoms. It can feel as if different camps are talking past one another, not always in good faith. Maybe you find all this silly or tiresome, but given the power and complexity of these technologies, which are already used to determine how much we pay for insurance, how we look up information, how we do our jobs, etc., 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 it's about time we at least agreed on what it is we're even talking about. Yet in all the conversations I've had with people at the cutting edge of this technology, no one has given a straight answer about exactly what it is they're building. Partly, it's the pace of development. But the science is also wide open. Today's large language models can do amazing things. The field just can't find common ground on what's really going on under the hood. These models are trained to complete sentences. They appear to be able to do a lot more. From solving high school math problems, to writing computer code, to passing law exams, to composing poems. What is everyone really fighting about anyway?